The Voice of the People's Party (VPP) has emerged as the dominant force in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council elections, securing a significant number of seats. However, the National People's Party (NPP) and the United Democratic Party (UDP) have also made notable gains in key constituencies. In the 12 Mausanram District Council constituency, NPP candidate Alvin Saukme clinched victory, strengthening the party's presence in the region. Meanwhile, in the 22 Nongspung Soyong District Council constituency, UDP Sinchar Kupar R. Thaba won the seat, securing the trust of voters in the area. Despite VPP's overall success, the election results indicate a competitive political landscape, with NPP and UDP maintaining their influence in select constituencies. Additionally, independent candidate Ricky Shulai won from the 15 Laban District Council constituency, securing a seat in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council.
Kinong song juga konstitusi Laban kipet ya kakam kipet ya kan kajing songsit bat kipet yo briu batre bat banla banunra kita kajing kela bat kajing mentoi ki baper kamtam ko mengalakren ning kongru kadi ka commercial area ru ka ba cur ha ka khai pateng ru ngi ban benta ban pej bah nangta da kipet ya ka ratio jongki voters ru ha ka MDC ka don tang 80% ndai ha ka meli ka don hadu 90% ka extra tinggal sutu ba kajing yatri rangkat berkipai ba kadi ki ka jing job ka ba long mentas kumbangal ong mentan ngantri be namenta kajing don kam jong pej ba dengan pej ke ka benta ka bangala banyo ka babhatam manganle namenta ki jong ka konstitusi ngan benta ban pej chata di bangantri batno numtri batno ngaru ngam padyo ka exact figure ngin pej kumno golong hagi ni ki singar sing try plio hi ka jing tip.
I would like to thank God the Almighty first of all, and it is because of the love and faith of the people of my constituency, Soyong, Nongspung constituency. So here I am now is because of the mandate of the people that they have given me. Well, it's too early to talk about the EC. We'll wait till the evening. We'll just get all the numbers. Then we will sit in the party. Then the party decision will be final. But I feel partly it's like a good fight. A good fight, right from my constituency and the other part of the other constituency. Then, thanks.
This is the second time that I've won from Mausanram constituency, and yes, I think I've worked tirelessly for the people of Mausanram for the past 6 years, and the results say so. Yes, I've just given interviews now. I said that there are a lot of Himas, even in my own constituency, that they don't have their own act. Which this is very important for all the Himas to have their own act, so that they can work and they can work for the people, and especially for the Darbarshanons. Well, we have to respect the mandate of the people. If the people have chosen them, we have to respect them.